Hello everyone, I am Joy Khaneta from techno-lo-JOY and today I am going to show you how to make intros. To make an intro we need an application known as Legend and we can find it on Play Store. Let me search for it. Legend. This first one. Its logo is like this. We can open it now. As we open this application, there are some codes written by default. We can change it to like I will write my channel's name, techno-lo-JOY. Then you have to click on this tick button and then play button. It buffers, then shows our animation and we can change our animation. There are many options. I think this one is good. And there are many color options too. I think this one is good. And we can change its quality and size by clicking on this button. We can change its format by landscape to square like this. And square to landscape. There are many settings too, like qualities from 512p to 108p. As we increases the pixels, the size of the file also increases. The 1080p is highest. I will select this one, then OK. To download this animation, we need to click on this button. Then it will ask that we have to save it as GIF or video. I will select video. Then it will start download. But we don't need to download it. And you can download and you can see it later in the gallery. So this is the easiest way to make an intro. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, so please leave a like, comment and share. Thank you.